Now that we've got the sign turned and rotated, you're going to need your tubular key, like shown here, to open up the door of the cabinet. Very simple to open the door. Now that we've got the control open, we could see that the main knob is off. We have a run, we have running beacons, data collect only. Data collect only is pretty useful if you want to put the sign off and only run the data collector. This is allowing the sign not to interfere with the data collector. The sign will not influence the traffic coming up to you. You'll usually have the sign in the down position when you're using that only. You can also do data collect only with beacons. You got a scheduler, you got a demo. A demo is great if you're trying to show somebody the sign and you have no traffic coming. Preview, a radar setup, some other functions here that are more advanced for your service type application. Over here we have LEDs to help tell our status. We have system on, solar charging. If the solar were capable of taking power from the solar panels, that would be on. If we had any alarms to be displayed, we would see check alarms. If our batteries were low, we were a low voltage problem, we would see that. Or if we had a power failure, you would see that LED on. One other thing that you want to make sure you always do is you get the speed limit set up properly. Right now it's showing 15 miles an hour or 30 kph, but we are on a 30-mile-an-hour road, so we want to make sure that we turn this guy over to 30 miles an hour so that it matches the speed limit of the traffic. This is important because over 30 is when the sign is going to start flashing, showing the motorist an overspeed setting. Anything below that, and it does not flash the speed, but over that will flash the overspeed. Right now, the main thing that you'll do is you'll turn it on, and as we're initialized, right now the unit's initializing, you may see some LEDs come up, check alarm, some other things. Our data collector is initializing also, so it's going to start showing some red lights here. This is showing us what our speed limit is set for. So it's initializing, and now we're basically ready to go. Now we got the data collection. The data collection part of it can be run independently or together with the sign. Right now we're operating it together. Let's work on setting up how to set up the data collector to ensure that you're getting the right numbers.